Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to a computer class. Today we will begin with the third chapter. Let me remind you that we have already completed two chapters and its PDF file for the copy work is already being shared in your class groups. So let's start with one of the most interesting topic, Internet. This is going to be our chapter number 11, session 1, more on Internet. Today we are going to study about Internet and its requirements and popular services on the internet. So basically, what is internet? Internet is an essential part of our life, especially in this quarantine period. We all are using internet services based on our requirements. Either we are using it for teaching purpose or some people are using it for their business purpose. So what exactly is internet? Internet is a network of network connecting millions of computers worldwide. Now, what is a network? A network is a collection of computers. When two or many computers are connected together either with the help of wires or through wireless connections, they form a network. And when such networks are combined together, it forms a bigger network called as internet. Internet helps us to share files across the globe within seconds. For example, when we share our teaching videos, it reaches to you in milliseconds. Using internet, we can share messages, audio, video, etc. It allows us to send and receive emails also, and video conferencing, chatting, etc. Do you know what is video conferencing? Well, the Zoom session that you attended few days back is your video conferencing, where you can see a person on mobile or laptop and you can talk as if the person is sitting in front of you. Now, to use the internet, there are few requirements. First, you need a computer, but we can also use a mobile phone for using the internet. Second, you need a modem, a telephone line, an account with an internet service provider, that is ISP, or an active connection. Now let us see these things one by one. First is modem. The picture of the modem is on the screen. The full form of modem is modulator demodulator. It is a device which is needed to connect with your computer along with a telephone line to work on the internet. But these days, even if you don't have a telephone line, you can use the internet. You can use your mobile phone network for using internet. Any information can be received or sent which is stored on one computer to another computer through modem, which means if any information or if anything that is stored in your computer, you can send it to anybody around the world with the help of the internet service. And internet will work only with the help of the modem. If you will look carefully at the picture of the modem, you can see there are 6 lights over here. Now let's see the different types of modems. There are basically two types of modems. One is external modem, one is internal modem. Now what is an external modem? It has 6 small lights that shows the status of your connectivity, downloading, etc. In the previous page, the picture that I showed you, that was an external modem. You can turn this external modem on or off as per your requirements, and the lights which I told you, they keep on blinking, that shows your status. Now internal modem, it is an inbuilt modem on the motherboard and it is located at an expansion slot. It is cheaper as compared to the external modem. Now next is your ISP, that is Internet Service Provider. Well, to understand ISP, let me give you an example. We all watch television, right? We get an active connection through either Dish TV, Videocon, Airtel, etc. and we pay the monthly charges to view our channels. Same way we have the ISP. ISP provides connection to access internet to its users and they charge fee to get the connection. These ISP centers has a computer with very large storage capacity called as server. Server is connected to other servers through satellites located in different parts of the world to share the information. Now, some of the popular ISPs are MTNL, Satyam Online, BSNL, Airtel, Mantra Online. Can you people name any other popular ISP service? Well, you must have heard the name of Jio. That is also an ISP which provides you the internet connection. Our next topic is URL. Well, again, to understand URL, let's take an example. Each one of us has a unique name by which we are called. If we don't have a name, will people identify us? No. Same way, every page on the internet has a unique name through which we can identify it. So basically, URL, first it stands for Uniform Resource Locator, and it is an address that uniquely search a location on the internet. Each and every file or a website has a URL. Well, how do you find out a URL? You can see a picture on the screen. When you open a web browser, at the top you can see a URL. This is called as an address bar. It's written here google.com. So here google.com is your URL. Same way, the example you can see www.cbse.nic.in. This is your CBSE website or CBSE URL where you can find CBSE related information. Do you know what is a school URL? Our school URL is www.balbhavan.org. Now, next topic is popular services on the internet. First is World Wide Web, e-cards, chatting, news, e-commerce, email, video conferencing, blogs. Now let's start with World Wide Web. You must have heard this name many times, but what exactly is WWW or World Wide Web? It is a collection of electronic documents that are linked with each other like a web. It can hold text, images, videos, GIFs, etc. etc. So whatever you see on the internet, it all comes under www. Next is chatting. This is a very common thing that we do on the internet. Suppose you want to convey a message to your friend. You called up your friend, but your friend didn't pick up the call due to some reason. Now in that case, how will you convey your message? Yes, through typing. So in chatting, instead of the voice call, you type a message on your screen which is received by the recipient. Then the recipient can type a message in response to your message. So this is how chatting works. One of the very common application for chatting is your WhatsApp. Now the next topic is e-cards. Well, yesterday was Mother's Day and you people have prepared beautiful greeting cards for your mother. But do you know that apart from preparing greeting cards on paper, sheets, using colors, etc., you can create it on internet also? Well, what is an e-card? It is a postcard or a greeting card that is prepared using digital media instead of paper. There are various websites which provide ready-to-use e-cards. These cards can be shared through email or any other messengers. You can easily download these e-cards and share it with anyone. These e-cards are environment friendly because their carbon footprint is lower than paper. There are various applications and softwares available which helps you to design your greeting card. So it's your choice, either you are using the existing greeting card as you can see on the screen, or you can design your own greeting card. Well, rest of the topics we are going to cover in our next class. Let's talk about the assignment. You have to design a beautiful e-card on the topic International Day of Families. International Day of Families is observed on 15th of May, which tells you about the importance of family in our life. So, you can use your internet services to search your e-card on the International Day of Families. So, either you can use the existing greeting card with some editing, or you can design an extremely new card with the help of various applications. You can download these applications in your mobile phone. I hope this session is clear to you. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you.